Changing your primary email on LooksRare is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LooksRare website and log in with your current credentials. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your username or an icon. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email Preferences or Account Information. This is where you can manage your email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. Scans billions of breach trackers 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you may need to confirm the change by clicking a verification link sent to your new email address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions provided in the email. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on LooksRare will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.